Did you know you can manage the careers of your employees from A to Z with GFoundry? For every performance evaluation process, you should evaluate the objectives, the competencies, and prepare the next work and development cycles. Associated with this process, it's also important to manage the potential of your employees. Not only because you should know who are your high performers, but you should also know who are your next challenges. With GFoundry, you can manage this whole process together. The Evaluation and Careers module, it's the most editable one, because it has to be adapted to your reality. You can adapt the details of the surveys, of the scales, everything that you need to define. You have 3 possible scopes: the scope of your employee, the scope of the manager, and the scope of the human resources director. The employees should have the evaluation of their objectives and competencies. After, they should prepare the next cycle. They need to define the next objectives and define their individual development plans. The individual development plans are crucial for the development of your people. These plans are based on the logic of 70-20-10, according to the formal and non-formal education. For the formal education, you can also connect directly to contents that are available in the Learn module. Finally, the employees can also share feedback about their expectations of mobility inside the company or even to change their role. Through the whole year of evaluation, you can also define feedback moments that are crucial for the evaluation of the employees, which we call touchpoints. In each touchpoint moment, you can evaluate the objectives and even promote a contact point between the manager and the employee. This way, you can have a follow-up throughout the year of the performance of the people that you have in your management. When it comes to the manager, they need to evaluate their employees. They need to evaluate their objectives and their competencies. After, they need to also prepare the next cycle. They can approve, edit, or add new objectives to the employee. For the individual development plans, they can do the same. They can approve, edit, or add new ones. Of course, the manager has access to all the feedback shared from the employee when it comes to mobility and expectations of changing their mission. After performing the evaluation of the employees, the manager has also the responsibility to evaluate the potential. This information is crucial to feed the 9-box matrix, the matrix that relates performance with potential. Through the dashboards, the manager can have the overview of the team, not only when it comes to the objectives and competencies of the employees, but also the potential of the team. Just to give you an example, with some of our advanced filters, you can know exactly who are your high potential employees, but that have a high risk of leaving the company. This is crucial information for every manager and even for an HR director. For the scope of the HR director, this person will have access to the information about the whole organization, giving a total overview over the competencies, the objectives, and also the potential of all your employees. In our perspective, career management is only well done when integrated with the whole experience from our GFoundry suite.